Hello, my name is Juan Moresco, and today I will be presenting on the topic of software engineering. This field is one of the most important areas in technology today because it defines everything we use, from application on our phones to the system that runs hospitals, cars, and even airplanes. In this presentation, I will explain what software engineering really means, why it's important, how it differs from simple programming, and the main methods that engineers use to make software efficient and reliable. By the end, you will see that software engineer is not just about code. It's about people, teamwork, and solving real problems in smart ways and responsible ways. So let's start with the basics. What is software engineering? This is the process of developing software in a structured, organized, and systematic way. It means applying engineering principles, like the same kind we use in the fields like civil or mechanical engineering, to the creation of software. The idea is to make sure that the final product is reliable, efficient, and maintainable. That means software should not only work today, but also be easy to improve in the future. This term first appeared in 1968 at the NATO conference, when experts realized that many software projects were failing. They were over their budget, late, and full of bugs. This was known as the software crisis. The solution of this was to treat software development as an engineering discipline, with proper planning, testing, and documentation. That's why today, this engineering is considered to be the foundation of all modern technology. Software engineering is more important than ever today. Think about it. Almost every part of our lives depends on software, from banking, education, and healthcare to entertainment and even transportation. Without software engineering, most of the system will be unreliable or unsafe. Good engineering practice makes sure that programs are high quality, secure, and scalable, meaning they can handle more users and more data without crashing. For example, when you stream a movie on Netflix, software engineers make sure that the system can handle millions of users at once. Another example is when doctors use digital records. Engineers make sure that the data is protected and accessible. This also makes technology accessible to everyone. It ensures that products are designed for performance, usability, and safety. So overall, it's not just about writing programs. It's about building digital systems that our society can trust. A lot of people confuse software engineering with programming, but they are very different. Programming is just one part of the process. It's about writing the actual code that makes software work. On the other hand, software engineering covers the entire life cycle of a system, from planning and design to testing, maintenance, and long-term updates. An engineer doesn't just ask, how do I make this work? But also, how do I make this sustainable, secure, and easy to maintain for years? Another big difference is that programming can be done alone, but software engineering is a team effort. Engineers work with project managers, designers, testers, and even with clients to make sure everything fits together. For example, in big companies, software engineering often lead large-scale projects that require coordination, documentation, and clear communication. So, if programming is like building a single wall, software engineering is like designing and constructing the entire building, making sure everything is safe, functional, and pretty. With this, the first part of this video is finished. If you are interested to keep learning, watch the second part. Thank you.